Hi, my name is Rochelle with Lembox Beauty, your wholesome beauty expert, and today we're gonna make lip glosses. So in your Take and Make lip gloss kit, the Halloween edition, you're going to get 2 lip gloss containers, and this is the base. You are going to also receive 2 glitters, 3 pigments, and 3 mix-ins. With these, you're also gonna grab your tubes. You will receive 2 labels, 2 spatulas for mixing, 3 essential oils for smell, and 2 piping bags along with instructions. First, we're gonna start with our lip gloss base. We're gonna open it up, and you're gonna go ahead and pick your favorite pigments and glitters. So with this one, we're gonna start with pigments, and a little goes a long way. So you can go ahead and take one of your spatulas to help scoop out the pigments. So today I'm feeling iridescent. I'm gonna open it up. Do a little bit at a time to see what color you like. Pour it in. So right now it looks like this. We're gonna mix it. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of purple as well. And this one, I'm just gonna tap a little bit into my container. We get, oh, it's looking super pretty. So right now, this is where we're at. Oh, that looks so pretty. Next, you have 3 essential oils. In your kit, you're gonna receive a lemon cotton candy as well as a harvest spice. So you're gonna take out your essential oils out of the little baggie provided and pick your scents, and you're welcome to mix scents. So I'm thinking with this color, I'm gonna go with cotton candy. That's this one right here, it's super cute. He's so tiny, I love it. I'm gonna do a few little drops. And this is a really fun activity you can do at home by yourself. You can do it with the girlfriends, for parties, for get-togethers. So you're gonna receive various clay mix-ins. They're these little guys. We have little ghosts in this one, Halloween themed sprinkles, and little pumpkins. So I'm gonna do ghost for this lip gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour my little ghosties in. I'm not gonna use all of them because I think I'm gonna use some in my other gloss as well. And I think I'm gonna actually go in with some sprinkles. We're really pretty. And these are all clay, so they are non-toxic, safe for your glosses. Oh, so pretty, I love it. And next, we're gonna mix it in. And you don't wanna put too much of the clay mix-ins because we don't wanna stop up our piping bags when we pipe it into our gloss tubes, and that comes next. So next, we are gonna go and grab our piping bags. So it came with 2 piping bags, 1 bag for each gloss. So I'm gonna just go in with 1. Here's the trick. We're gonna open it up. You're gonna fold it down 2 times should be good enough. And you're gonna create a little cup on the table. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna scrape the edges and we're gonna pour it into our piping bag. Be sure to scrape as much as you can from the edges. You don't want to waste any, and we just don't want to risk not having enough in our tube. This is important. So the piping bag's what I like to do. Easy trick, just pull it from the bottom, and then you're gonna pull these guys up. So it's almost like a cake piping bag. It makes it super easy to transfer into your gloss. So now it looks like this, and what you're gonna want to do is move the product down. You don't have to press super hard, real light to move the product down. to the tip of the piping bag. And just enough so we get all the product down to the tip. It looks like this. Now we're going to twist it off. Nice little twist so it looks like a mini piping bag. And next you're gonna go in with your tube. So we're doing one gloss right now, and your set comes with 2 glosses, so that's super exciting. I'm gonna get my one tube. I got my tube. It comes with a stopper for each tube as well as a lid. We're gonna go in with some sanitized scissors. We're gonna grab our piping bag with our gloss, hold it upside down this way. When we do cut the tip, the gloss doesn't run out. So we're gonna go in with our scissors, just cut off 1/4 of an inch off the tip. And also to gauge, depending on what mix-ins you get in, you wanna cut off just enough space so that your ghost or your pumpkin can fit through. I'm just gonna hold it up. We're gonna hold our gloss tube, get it ready to go, and be sure to hold your tube straight up, not at an angle, but straight up. This way, when we pipe the gloss in, it hits the bottom first. So we're gonna go in, and we're gonna squeeze from the top. Just allow the gloss to hit the bottom. I recommend stopping halfway, kind of squeezing it to fill in the corners so there's no air bubbles, and then continue again. Just fill it, kind of squeeze it as you go to get the air bubbles out, and just fill, and we're gonna squeeze it all the way to the top. And next we're gonna insert our stopper. Perfect, and then cap it. Now that we have our tube filled, we're gonna add our labels. And your box comes with 2 labels, 1 per gloss. You're gonna peel, and we're going to apply it to our tube. Gonna center it right in the middle, just where the logo is centered with the center of our tube. You're gonna wrap it around and apply it. And there you have it, our ghosty gloss. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful time making your custom lip glosses. Lemon Box Beauty, your perspectives